Right, so I'm going to show you how to use voice typing on your MacBook Neo. Now, you can use these instructions for any other Mac, but I'm going to be using a MacBook Neo for this demonstration. So go to the Apple logo in the top left corner, click on it, and then select System Settings. Under System Settings, scroll on the left-hand side panel and click on Keyboard. Under Keyboard, you should see the option Dictation. This is where your voice typing is. So click on that and then confirm by clicking on Enable, and then you will see your voice typing settings. Voice typing is actually known as dictation on your Mac. So you can choose the language, you can choose the microphone source. You can either use the default microphone built into the laptop, or you can use an external microphone if you have one. And then you have a shortcut to start and stop your voice typing. So it's set to the microphone button by default. The microphone button is basically where F5 is. So if you look on that button, you will see it also has the microphone button. But of course, you can choose, you can click there and change that button to anything else, or even a custom button if you want to. But I'm going to leave mine as is the default. Anyway, once I've enabled this and set up everything, now anytime I'm typing and I want to use voice typing instead of just typing with the keyboard, I'll simply just press the button. So I'm going to press the microphone button to start voice typing. This is what voice typing looks like. I'm basically using my voice to type on my MacBook Neo. This makes everything much easier.